Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And today I have with me the Oppo Find X8 and X8 Pro. And in this video, I'm going to test out the cameras of these two phones. But before that, let me show you all the specs of these two phones and then let's get started shooting with these cameras.
The Oppo Find X8 series is designed with cameras at its core, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile photography. These phones redefine how we capture moments. Let's dive straight into the specs. Starting with the Oppo Find X8 Pro, we have got a quad camera setup that's a dream for photography lovers. The main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor equivalent to 23 mm. Then there's a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto lens equivalent to 73 mm. And the magic doesn't stop here. It also packs another 50 megapixel 6x telephoto lens and with a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens with about 120 degrees of field of view. On the other hand, the Oppo Find X8 features the same incredible camera setup, but it skips the 6x telephoto lens. Both phones, however, comes equipped with Hasselblad's beautiful true-to-life color science and the laser autofocus system, ensuring your shots are always top-notch. The Find X8 Pro also features a dedicated capture button on the side. With this, you can quickly turn on the camera, take photos, and even zoom in and out with a simple swipe. It's a very intuitive feature, though I'm a bit skeptical about how much people will actually use it. But enough about the specs on paper, it's time to take these phones for a spin. I planned a portrait shoot today with the Oppo Find X8 Pro, and shout out to Ahana for modeling. Make sure to give her a follow on Instagram. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll show you the results from all the lenses while staying in the same spot. Here's the result from 1x, here's the result from 2x, here's from 3x, and this is the magic of 6x telephoto. Now let's change the pose and use some sunlights, like just use the ambience to create a different looking photos with this telephoto lenses, and wow! The X8 Pro handles light and shadows like a champ. The color balance is absolutely stunning, and the 6x telephoto is pure magic. I mean, it's not just I'm saying. You guys can already see why I'm saying. Look at this. Even with the sun setting right behind the subject, the phone manages the exposure perfectly. It's handling the highlights and shadows like a pro-grade camera. I have even compared it with another flagship that I can't take name of, and it's clear the Oppo Find X8 Pro is on a whole another level. Also, the shutter speed is super fast if you have decent light, and it's really fun to shoot with. So, to wrap it up, the Oppo Find X8 series and especially the Oppo Find X8 Pro is easily one of the best camera smartphones I have ever used. From the Hasselblad color science to the incredible zoom capabilities, this phone is an absolute GOAT. So, that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question about the X8 series, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Till then,